Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Omni Man on piano. This powerful theme from the popular animated series requires a strong, deliberate approach. We will break down the main components, focusing on both the rhythmic drive and the memorable melodic lines. By the end, you will have a clear roadmap to tackle this exciting piece, bringing its intensity to your keyboard. Let's dive into the details and get your fingers ready for action. The core of Omni Man's theme lies in its relentless rhythm and distinctive melody. Start by isolating the left-hand bass line, which often features syncopated eighth notes, giving it that forward momentum. Then, introduce the right-hand melody, focusing on its precise articulation and powerful delivery. Remember to build up your speed gradually, perhaps starting at 60 beats per minute, and then increasing it by 5 to 10 beats per minute as you gain confidence. To truly capture the essence of Omni Man, articulation and dynamics are crucial. Many sections demand a sharp, almost percussive touch, so practice your staccato notes with precision. Don't shy away from playing loudly. The theme often calls for forte and even fortissimo to convey its immense power. Experiment with subtle dynamic shifts, like a gradual crescendo leading into a powerful phrase, to add depth and emotional impact to your performance. Effective practice is the pathway to mastering this challenging piece. Begin by breaking the theme into smaller 2 to 4 measure sections, focusing on one at a time. Practice each hand independently until it feels comfortable, then slowly combine them. Recording yourself can be incredibly helpful for self-assessment, allowing you to pinpoint areas for refinement. Aim for consistent, focused practice sessions, perhaps 20 to 30 minutes each day, to see steady progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.